Okay, there's one big mistake you're making when it comes to local SEO, and I'm going to show you what it is. It's super easy to fix, and when you fix it, your SEO improves almost immediately and dramatically depending on how bad off you were to start with. So first, if you're not familiar, top USA business directories, Google Business Profile, Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, these business directories, Chamber of Commerce, these are where the search engines and the internet looks to confirm information about a business. Specifically, they go there to confirm name, address, phone number, and website. If your business information, your name, address, website, and phone number are consistent across all these directories, the major directories, or at least most of them, it sends trust signals to the search engines and to the internet in general that your business are who you say you are, that you're open when you say you are, your website is what you say it is, and your name is what you say it is, and you're located where you say you are. When those things are wrong, though, on the other hand, when that information is incorrect or disconnected, it does the opposite. It sends distrust signals to the search engines and the rest of the internet that's directing towards businesses, because it thinks, I don't know if that's a real business, if this is a spam listing, if this is all filled with spam listings, and so it brings you down in search engine results. So what you need to do, obviously, as a business is fix this. Now, there's a couple easy ways to do this. So first one I'll go to, and I'll link to these below the video. First one is you need to know how you're looking. So I'm gonna go over here to pull up this location. So we have a search audit tool at Mighty Sites. You might be familiar, that's the website platform that I own. I'll link to that down below. It's an easy way to build websites for local businesses. So basically with Mighty Sites, you can go to this page right here and you can go in and type in your business name. So if I type in, like, doesn't matter, right? Any business, your business will come up. And as long as you have a Google Business Profile, and then you click on Get Your Report Now. Now you fill it out and you're going to get a report that looks like this. It's going to tell you about your reputation, your local listings, how many of these listings you appear on, how many you've claimed, how many have errors, so 2 out of the 6 have errors, and then how many of the major listings you're not found on at all. Now, you can see here, not found, and then good, they're found on Google, MapQuest, Yahoo Local, these are good, but Yellow Pages, all of these are not found, and then you can see some of these, their address or their directory information is inconsistent. So what you want to do is make sure that your business is listed with name, address, phone number, website, consistent across these directories, right? So to do that, we'll actually do it for you. If you sign up for the Boost program at Mighty Sites for just $10 a month, we'll keep all these consistent. If you're not doing that and you don't need a website with Mighty Sites, the other thing you should do is go to Bright Local. So just go to brightlocal.com. One of the services they offer is a citation building service. It's like $2 or $3 a listing, at least that's what it was. And they'll go through and clean up your listings. Now, if you're working with us, you'll see it like this. We'll send you a report when we're done, comes from Mighty Sites. We'll show you what we did, submitting, fixing the listings, and then you can go in and view all the listings that you now have that are updated. And if we're unable to, or it doesn't let us, we'll replace it and do a different directory listing altogether for you. And then you can see the notes and the information to get your listing accurate across the board. So either sign up for Mighty Sites, do it in Bright Local, use our little tool to link to this to go check your listing results, hit like and subscribe so that you never miss any of these important tips to make sure you're not making any local SEO mistakes and your business shows up as much as possible. This is even more important now in the age of AI, because AI actually relies on these listings too to determine which businesses to bring up. We'll catch you in the next video.